What's up, family? How you guys doing today? Adil here from Milky Tech, and today we'll be reviewing what I consider the best sub $900 Ultrabook. Let's get this done. With school starting and many of you guys studying at home, or with people working at home, people are looking for a great laptop that's great in battery life, great in performance, and is at a decent price. In my opinion, this laptop checks off a lot of those boxes. It has a very sleek look to it. The outline around the trackpad, it makes you feel like it is a very premium laptop. Especially the specs for it. If you guys haven't seen my first impressions and unboxing of this laptop, I'll have it linked over here. And some of the main specs of this laptop that drawn my attention to it was the 10th Gen i7 that's in it, the NVIDIA MX250, and the 16 gigs of RAM, and the Wi-Fi 6. All things that you need in a laptop to efficiently do your schoolwork and to do your work at home. This laptop has a great display. It's a 1080p panel. It is an IPS panel, which means it has great color reproduction. So when you're watching your movies or you're doing some light photo editing, everything will look great. Another great point about the laptop is its unibody metal design. The metal allows it to be more rigid. It has some flex to the display, but not as the cheaper laptops. Another great point about this laptop is how light it is. It is a little over 4 pounds. It is thin, it is sleek, you can carry it in one hand, it is solid. The keyboard on this laptop is pretty good. It is clicky. The travel distance for each key is pretty good. We just aggravated the laptop. The great feature about this laptop is the way the hinge operates. It's a single hinge that goes across the whole laptop. It pushes the laptop slightly up, allowing air to come in and cool the CPU. The trackpad on it is pretty wide. I wish it could be a little bit bigger. And the battery life on this laptop is not bad. The manufacturer claims about 8.5 hours. When I'm video editing, I'm getting about 4 hours, which is not bad because we're intensively using the GPU and CPU. And when I'm just normally using it, I'm getting about 6 hours. But then I have the brightness kind of turned all the way up and the performance set to medium high. I am abusing it a little bit. As with anything, nothing is perfect. Some of the cons of this laptop is the boot time, the time that it takes for it to turn on, and the time that it takes for apps to load. It has a slow mechanical hard drive, and guys, it's 2020, we should be using at least solid state, if not NVMe drives. But it is upgradable, so you should always put that on. But I think that should be something that comes from the manufacturer. For me, I got big fingers, so typing on this keyboard, I'm sometimes smashing other buttons. But if you have smaller fingers, you might not have that problem. But for me, that's a con. Another thing, the trackpad could be a little bit bigger. I know there's not much space in there, but I wish it was a little bit bigger. It would have been easier to use, especially coming from using the LG Gram, which I have linked over here. It has a huge glass trackpad, which was amazing. But overall, the trackpad is not too bad. Another downfall of this laptop is its webcam.
As you can see, the quality is not that great. It's very subpar, and as you can hear, the audio from the mic isn't that great at all. It's very tinny. It's just subpar.
It still looks pretty low quality, unlike the webcam and let's say a Surface Pro. Overall, this laptop is pretty good. Some things I would like HP to do to improve this laptop is, honestly, it does have a touchscreen, but to me that's a useless feature. I'd rather they take the touchscreen out and put it in an NVMe drive. This will help with the boot times, this will help with app loading, this will also help with the fluidity of the system. It will make it more responsive. Something I would like to see do is change the aspect ratio of the display from 16:9 to 16:10. That difference in aspect ratio will give extra desktop real estate, which will help with productivity and web browsing. I wish the trackpad was bigger, so if they change the aspect ratio, which will allow them to have a bigger trackpad. Another thing I'd like to see done is the power port. It needs to be changed from their proprietary plug to USB Type-C. This will make life easier for everybody. You can just use one cable to charge your laptop, to charge your phone, to charge it uniform. And of course, guys, webcam, upgrade the webcam. Especially now with everybody on these Zoom calls, and especially with phones having such great front cameras, laptops should also have great front cameras as well, considering you're spending the same price for a phone and a laptop. Overall, aside from those few things, this is a very solid laptop, especially for the price. You're getting a nice, sleek design, you're getting a beautiful display, you're getting a powerful processor that I have really had no problem video editing on. It just crunched through everything. Also, this laptop, if you need more performance, you can always upgrade this laptop. It has 16 gigs of RAM, or you can always upgrade it to 32 gigs. There is a spot for an NVMe SSD, so you can get those blazing fast NVMe's reaching 3,000 megabytes read and write, crazy fast. If you want to improve the thermals of the laptop, you can always change the thermal paste that the manufacturer use something high-end from, let's say, Noctua or Thermal Grizzly. And I have all links for you in the description below. Overall, it is high. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notified when I release a video. Smash that like button, leave a comment in the comment below telling me what do you think of this laptop. If you have any suggestions or if you have any recommendations, put it in the comment section below. Links for this laptop will be found in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.